This is Mohan Kumar. Welcome to Thiravim Thedu YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about one interesting project which is launched in Binance. I am using Binance for the last 2 months. Here there is a particular concept called Launchpad. So in that Launchpad they have introduced like 51 projects. These are all like initial coin offerings in cryptocurrency, like how in the share market the shares are becoming public in the IPO. Similar way, whenever Binance or any other coin developers, cryptocurrency developers wants to introduce their coins, they will use some exchanges, some platforms to introduce their coins. So this Lazio fan token is also a similar kind of cryptocurrency which is launched today. It's actually a fan based coin. So it is mainly this coin will be used for buying some Lazio fan tokens and NFTs and all those such things. So here the most interesting thing I am going to share here is today I have earned around 30x times of returns from the very mere investment of hardly 40 rupees. Okay, so let's get into the details. Here you can see Lazio fan token here. This is launched in this Binance Launchpad 8 days ago. So when they have launched that, they have certain rules before it gets traded into the Binance app. So first thing, they will inform this 7 days before the trading date, so that you can bid for the initial coin offering price. So normally this Lazio coin, it's only 4 million Lazio coins were offered, which is around 21% of the overall total supply. So in the initial coin offering, whoever wants to participate, they can only bid to a maximum of 20,000 Lazio coins per user. For that they have to hold a minimum of 40.2658 BNB coins. One BNB coin today it costs around 38k to 39k INR. So in order to participate in this ICO, similar like how we are participating in the share market IPO, we have to already subscribe for this 7 days ago. So how to subscribe? There are certain rules. Like the first 7 days before the trading date, they will be asking you to hold your BNB coin in the spot account wallet. There are so many wallets in this Binance app: spot account, PTP, peer to peer banking account, and then there's an earning account. There are so many accounts are there. So you have to maintain your some amount of BNB in order to eligible for this fan Lazio token ICO subscription. So first thing, in the 7 days period, they will calculate an average BNB balance in your account. Then once that is calculated, they will let you know how much you can submit or how much you are allowed to invest to get the subscription. So during the subscription period, today was a subscription period. It was 4 hours from 11:30 a.m. in the morning till 3:30. So during the subscription period, we have to accept that we are subscribing. So then the calculated BNB will be locked for that subscription. So once that amount is locked, like us, there will be thousands and thousands of people. For example, this fan Lazio token, there are so much participants. There were 2,25,583 participants were there, and they have almost invested 81 lakhs 10,631 BNBs, and each BNB is costing 38 to 40k INR. So this much BNB they have committed for this ICO. So what they will do, they will have to do they will be doing the calculation, like how many people have committed and how much amount they have committed for the last 8 days consecutively, what is their average BNB balance. So based on that, the coins will be allocated. Maximum a person can get 20,000 Lazio if he is committing around say 40 BNB, but really it's not 40 BNB. So what I have understood from the previous ICO subscription was, like if you hold like 100 BNB, you will be only eligible to buy a 0.5 BNB worth of tokens only. So it's a very mere amount, because they have to distribute to the all the participants in a very equal manner. So that is the reason they are not able to allocate these coins to some person with a huge quantity, for some other person with a less quantity. So it has to be proportional to the amount committed. At the same time, every participant should be getting some coins. So I have committed almost 1 BNB, which is around 38k, but I was just getting 0.5417 Lazio only. So which is equivalent to, if you convert that into INR, it will come around somewhere around 35 to 38 rupees only, not more than that. But you won't believe, guys, I got a very good returns. As soon as the coin started trading, it went from the initial issue price, the coin price was just $1. One Lazio coin is $1, but it has, the moment it started trading, it went up to $100, but I could not sell during that time. It was just like a nanosecond that it went up to $100, and then it just coming down, because all the people who bought these coins, they were started selling. But I was able to manage to sell these coins at, let me show where I sold it, some decent price, and I almost gained some 30 times of my investment. Sorry guys, I'm just chasing. You can see I just got a 0.54 of one Lazio coin only, I got it, but I could sell it for 14 USD dollars. So that is equivalent to somewhere around 1100 rupees. So it was really a good profit for me. Almost, you can see from 0.54 to 14.87, it's almost 29 to 30 times of the return. So in future they will be launching such type of coins as ICO sale using this launchpad. You can also subscribe to this, and you can commit some of your BNB in this to get more profit from this kind of coins. Even after the sellout, you can see now the coin is trading somewhere around $20. Where you, if you would have committed more BNB, if you would have got like some 10 coins, Lazio coins for $1, with a $10 investment, you would have got $200 in returns. So such a huge profit, 2000% within a span of like 10-15 minutes. You can even see here it went up to $100, and after that it came down, but I was able to sell around somewhere around $14.87. Thank you guys. Like this I will be posting in the next time when I post such ICO coins. I will be posting well before, where you can start your subscription, because for this kind of coin subscription you need at least 8 to 9 days before the launch date, because you have to hold that BNB for that 8 days in your spot wallet or in your some other wallets, and that average balance will be checked for your eligibility to enter into this ICO subscription. So I will be this was my first experiment, because I have not undergone or I have not taken any ICO before. This is the first time, so that's the reason I did not post this earlier. So now I gained the confidence that this gives a good average return. So whenever in future any new coins are launched in this launchpad, I'll be sharing this with you guys. Thank you so much.